In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Varnish cache in Cloudways. If you're hosting a busy website, especially something dynamic like an online store or a membership site, speed matters a lot. One of the biggest slowdowns happens when the server has to rebuild pages from the database over and over again. That creates unnecessary load and can slow down the visitor experience. Varnish helps solve that by acting as a high-speed caching layer in front of your web server. And the nice part is that Cloudways gives you a managed version of it right out of the box. First, let's make sure Varnish is actually active on your server. Open your browser, go to the Cloudways platform, and sign in. From the top navigation, open the server section and choose the server that's running your application. In the left side menu, click Manage Services. Look for the Varnish service in the list and check its status. If you see that it's active, you're good to go. If it isn't running, click Start to enable it, so caching begins working at the server level. Next, let's talk about clearing the cache when changes are not showing up. This is especially important after design edits, layout updates, or database changes. If you only want to clear the cache for one website, go to the Applications area, open the site you want, enter Application Settings, switch to the Tools tab, and click Purge Varnish. That's the more targeted option. If this issue seems more persistent, go back to your server's Managed Services page and click Restart on the Varnish service. That refreshes the service more broadly and can help if something feels stuck. Now let's configure exclusions for dynamic pages. This part is very important because you do not want pages like carts, checkouts, account areas, or admin panels to be cached. Open your application from the Applications section, go into Application Settings, stay on the General tab, and scroll until you find Varnish Rules. Click Add Exclusion Rule, choose URL from the dropdown, and enter the relative path you want to exclude. Typical examples include paths for cart pages, checkout pages, account sections, or admin areas. This makes sure those pages always load fresh data instead of serving cached content. If you're doing development work, migrations, or plugin testing, you may want to temporarily disable Varnish entirely. Go back to the server dashboard, open Managed Services, and locate the Varnish toggle or control. Disable it